I'm Chief. No, I'm Tim. But anyway, I just got out to the spot for today's hunt. It's a midday hunt. I got my buddy Irfan going with me. We're gonna go target some mallards, hopefully. Some mallards, teal, pintails is what I'm seeing in the area. So hopefully we can get on some of those. It is a cold winter day here in Washington. This is the cold snap we're getting here this year. I got a little stuffy, as you can hear. Sorry about that. But anyway, got sheets of ice literally everywhere. Went on one of the coolest hunts ever yesterday, but I forgot all of my camera gear. So I got a little bit of footage on my phone. I don't know if I got any kill shots, but I'm gonna add that to the end of this video just because it's the cold snap of Washington State here this year. And well, Western Washington, Eastern Washington, they live in the ice. We're gonna go ahead, get out there on the ice, do a little hunting here. Hopefully it's not too cold for us, and hopefully we're able to get to the spot, because there's about a half mile of ice with water underneath it, and we're gonna try and take a raft to it. So we'll see how that works out today. Here we go. That's a couple thousand ducks. All right, I'm thinking we either hide our bodies right here. Let's throw the decoys right here in the open. Dude, look at all the mallard feathers here. Huh? Look at all the feathers here. Those are mallards. I'm gonna make 2 small groups. Crazy how quiet it is here. This is kind of cool. All right, you want to shoot this duck that's in the decoys? And the decoys on the left?
Did you get it?
No.
There was one more coming. I was looking at that one.
On your left. On your left.
That's a pintail.
Oh, yep. Another hen pintail. You wanna? Those are 2. Yeah, shoot the back one. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Did you hit him? No, no, don't shoot again. Don't shoot again. Did you hit him?
I don't think so.
They really seem to like that line right there. Do you see that one? That one they just did?
And all the ducks are coming and flying in right there.
I wonder if we should just move just to those trees. What do you think?
Yeah, I think we should make a move.
Let me grab the raft. This could be a 1-bird day, the number of pintails we're seeing. Let's just chuck some decoys right here.
Okay.
And let's do like a quick hunt right here, just to see if this is a good spot.
Okay.
Just chuck them out this time though. Ouch.
No need to open them?
Open them, yeah. I was just being lazy. We might have a floater. Sometimes they won't undo.
Should we just stand in the tree?
Yep.
Above us, teals.
Those are pintails.
Pintail. So we can only shoot 1 pintail, right? And teal?
You can shoot 7. 7 teal, 1 pintail, either sex. We're gonna only give this like 10 minutes. If everything just continues flying over us like it's been doing. Here you go, Irfan. You ready? You ready? We're not facing it. All right, here we go. Here you go. You ready?
Mhm.
Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him again. Dude. No, too late now. That was a nice teal.
Looked like the feathers flew off.
You might have touched him. Too far. That was a Drake bufflehead. Real cutie. Here we go, on the left.
Too far.
I thought we were gonna have those.
Can you drive?
Oh, here we go.
Get them. Oh, this one right there. In the water. Part of the decoys.
Ah. I think we give this 10 more minutes.
Sure.
And if we're not getting good shots here,
Uh-huh.
I think we move to the next area.
Okay.
Just on the other side of this,
Yep.
it's a little bit better of a hide and we can sit down.
Okay. So where do we want to get to that?
We're gonna go through and then there's gonna be a ditch on the other side of this. We're gonna have to hop on the raft and go across.
Okay.
And on the other side, there's a big open, kind of like this. Go ahead and set the guns down. Let's start walking. This is where we had to raft across. Hop in the boat.
It's a mallard.
That was a shootable mallard. There you go. Go ahead and grab us into this brush. Careful, I think it might be. Go ahead and pull me in. Careful, don't aim that gun at you. All right. Yep. All right, that's good. Grab your gun. Hopefully they come back. Just shot his first duck. There it is sitting in the decoys. There's a couple thousand ducks moving behind him. Man of the hour reloading. Here you go. You ready?
Go ahead.
No, there's both of us. Nice, you got him. Oh,
Go grab your other duck. Where is that? Yeah. Oh, never mind. No, I had to take the safety out.
all right, hold still, hold still. Holy cow!
Was it in the water?
Yeah. There's no. Got you. Shoot. Got him. You gotta get faster, man.
Nice shot. I thought I got 2.
Or you can shoot this one in the decoys right now. Got it. Nice job, dude. Nice job. Nice job, Irvine. Yeah, shoot him whenever you're ready. Yeah. Yep. That's something you're gonna shoot if you can. Shoot him, shoot him. Yeah, if you can shoot this one.
Is that mallet?
This one?
It's too far for me.
That's my pintail. Dude, what a crazy limit today. Oh, 5. We got 2 drake teal, a mallard, a pintail, and a shoveler. That's a drake. Shoot him. That's a hen. Or is it a drake?
No, it's a drake.
Shoot it, it's a drake. Nice.
It's a hen.
Yep, you can shoot her though. Doesn't matter. It's a, oh wait, on the right. No, they're both hens. If you want to shoot her, dude, she's in the decoys.
It'll be fine. It's okay.
Here we go. Who's this? Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. He's coming. Got him. You got him. Oh my god. Are you loaded, dude? That's geese.
Too far out.
Yeah. Shoot that thing. Nice, dude. So what is that? 6? We have one more. We both on one more duck, dude.
Yep.
Really? I should. Here we go.
What is that?
Yeah. We're gonna shoot this one. Shoot him. That was a mallard. Shoot that drake. Shoot the drake. Hit him again. Hit him again. Oh!
Yep, I'm done.
There you go. Oh, my duck's moving. No. Yeah, you shoot the last one there. How'd that action feel?
It's good.
You hit it. You see the feather right there?
Yeah. I was like, like, why did it not drop?
Here you go. Shoot that thing. Shoot him, shoot him. Got him, you got him. Alright, go grab your last bird and we can clean up.
Leave the gun here. Take it.
Take the gun, take the gun. And then shoot him in the head again when you get over there. Alright, that's our hunt. There's one of my birds is still sitting in the decoys. Woo! Sorry I couldn't get your last bird there,
Nah,
man.
I came with zero expectations. Getting 6 is a blessing. Thanks to you. Those are the mallets, right? 2 mallets?
That's a mallard. That's a pintail.
Pintail.
That's a shoveler. And these are green-winged teal.
Like that?
Body up.
Body up.
We shot them on land. So you shoot them on a boat, then you can stick them the other way.
Ah, I see.
All right, well, hey, me and Irfan just finished the limits. Irfan only had, he shot his last bird with his last round, and then it got up and flew away. Nice Drake pintail, kind of a bummer. Anyway, so here's our pile of birds. Irfan ended up with 6 Drake green wings, which is a very cool accomplishment there. Almost should have just stuck with green wings. Anyway, so ended the day with all Drake limit. Got myself a mallard, pintail, a spoonie, and then a pile of green wings. So solid way to end the day there. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here. It's a couple of mile walk and
Across the swamp.
yeah, so this will be fun.
It's gonna
Here we
be
go.
fun.
It is super bright.